Hi, so you guys, we're working on simplifying rational expressions. So when I simplify rational expressions, there's three things I got to do. Find my restrictions, factor out the bottom, and then divide out stuff that will cancel out. So in terms of things, just to make sure that we keep this concept in mind, if I divide by a number, 0 by a number, right? It's going to be 0. So this is the okay situation. Okay. But this is the part that isn't awesome, right? This is the no situation. So if I have a number and I divide it by 0, right? That is the no situation and it is undefined. So that undefined situation plays huge in a lot of stuff that we do. So we're going to skip through the stuff. So example 1 and example 2. Step number 1. Let's look at the bottom. X plus 4. If it's equal to 0, I solve for that. X is equal to a negative 4. So I have my restriction. X can equal a negative 4 because if it does, the bottom's equal to 0. Okay, here we go. Right? Find an equivalent rational expression in lowest term. Identify the values of the variable that must be excluded. Prevent division by 0. Identify that. Look at the top. I can look at it as a box. Okay, split it. What do 3 and 12 have in common? 3. Well, 3 times what will give me 3x is x. 3 times what will give me 12 is 4. So this factors into 3, x plus 4 over x plus 4. The x plus 4's cancel out, and you get the value of 3. On this one, okay, setting it up, x, find my restriction first. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Add 2. Add 2. X is equal to 2. So if I plug in 2, the bottom's going to be 0. So I found my restriction. So on the top here, right, let's factor stuff out. They both have a 2. That gives me an x squared minus a 4. So I get 2 x squared minus a 4 over x minus 2. Well, nothing cancels out, but I look at this x squared minus 4 and I think to myself, that might be a difference of squares. So if I go x squared right here minus 4, that factors into an x and an x minus 2 and a positive. So now if I rewrite that, 2 x minus 2, x plus 2, all over x minus 2. So I have to have the same thing in parentheses to cancel stuff out. Those go away, so I'm left with 2x plus 2.